Hello guys. So I was interviewing at a top AI company when they asked me this question. So can two AI models have exactly the same accuracy, but it would be difficult to trust one of the models? And by trust, I mean that one of the models could confidently give wrong answers. Is that possible? So the answer to this question is yes. And the reason behind it is something called calibration. Now, most people think that accuracy is everything, but accuracy only tells you how often a model is correct. But the calibration tells you whether the model knows when it is correct or it is just lying about being correct. It's just being confidently wrong. So, take a scenario. Imagine two models that claim to be correct 90% of the time. The first model says, I'm 90% confident, and it is right about 90% of the time. And the second model also says that I am 90% confident, but it actually is correct only 60% of the times. So the accuracy is same, which is 90%, but you cannot trust both the models because one is lying about being correct, right? And that is especially dangerous because users don't look at the answers. They just look at the confidence that the model is saying it is 90% correct, that means it should be. And especially in healthcare, finance, or legal systems, an overconfident wrong answer can be far worse than an uncertain one, right? So that's why researchers use techniques like temperature scaling and flat scaling to recalibrate a model's confidence after training.